is Javier Pomiano. I'm from the MBA cohort of September 24 to HEC Paris. That's a really nice question. For me, HEC Paris was the right choice because I was looking for a truly international platform to transition from regional strategic role in Latin America that I was working for many years to a global career, and basically very centered in consumer focused industries. So it was the combination also of academic rigor, leadership development, and the proximity to a global companies that the program offered to you, especially in sector like luxury FMCG that I am really interested. For me, HEC was not only a classroom experience, it is an ecosystem for me where you consistently interact with industry leaders, alumni. They have a really huge rate of alumni, and also with my peers in my class from all over. They are for all over the world. So for me, it was a ideal bridge between my past experience and my ambitions to operate in a global scale now. I think that landing the internship was a combination of a strategic positioning and consistently. You need to be very consistent. Obviously, I leveraged my previous experience in L'Oreal Peru. I started my career in L'Oreal also in Peru, in Latin America. But I proactively reached out of people with the organization, started to build relationship, and clearly articulated how my background in strategy, I worked in strategy for 8 years, and in expansion project could be also add value to that company and in a global level. So I think that I positioned myself not just a candidate, but as someone who already understands the company, the culture, how can I contribute to them, and I prepare myself a lot of months and develop a really huge storytelling about me and how can I bring to them. Obviously, persist a lot. It was a demanding process. I really basically start science. I start my MBA at the same time when I am being my classes. I start to do networking, and obviously, actually the MBA and the program has a really huge relationship to L'Oreal, and we have a lot of contacts. So develop this first approach with the headquarters was pretty more soft versus, for example, maybe if you are in another school. HEC Paris actually has a really nice and huge relationship with L'Oreal. I think it's one of the most important companies that already the program has a relationship. Most of the people that, for example, actually not only in the MBA but also in the master programs, basically catch a job in L'Oreal. They perceive the school of one of the best. If you, for example, are in the in L'Oreal campus in Paris, a lot of people are from HEC, and they also value a lot of the company. The MBA gave to me frameworks to structure very well what I was experiencing in real time. As I mentioned to you, I work in many different projects, but the MBA program was crucial to give to me these frameworks to structure all in my mind and apply in a very concise and well-development way. For example, the courses in strategy, marketing, finance, for me, helped me to understand logic behind many decisions that I was seeing in my professional career, but also in L'Oreal. So, for example, it was pricing strategies, global rollouts, or maybe market adaptations that I applied during my internship. but that I also learned in the MBA. But so in that case, the MBA trained to me to connect different disciplines. So it me allowed to me to see how the strategic decisions translate into operational execution across markets. It's like so it's not focused only in numbers. It's not focused only what do you need, what you can bring. It's like this type of structure, frameworks, and all the mix around the curriculum, because it's well structured, permits to you to translate what do you would like to do in an execution plan in not only L'Oreal but any of the companies when you are working. The thing that surprised me a lot in my experience in L'Oreal was like all the how many different tools you can find behind for example, when you are launching a product. I work in participate in the launch of one important fragrance for the luxury division, especially the brand of Prada Paradigm. This is a main fragrance, and mostly as a customer, for example, you can also you only saw, for example, this amazing campaign in relation to marketing, and who is like, for example, the actor or actress that is in front of the brand, or these kind of things. But in general, I for me was really surprised how many things are involved when you launch a product or launch a new brand. The finance aspect, the operational aspect, the marketing aspect, the sales aspect, how you can monitor success, how you can define success. In my case, I was really involved to, for example, to ship all the products to many different Prada boutiques. So it was a huge coordination and this kind of coordination needs to be arrive on set of time. So it was impressive, and have the opportunity to apply it in a global scale, because you need to basically have this huge coordination around the world, because we are working with Latin America, North America, Middle East, Asia. Definitely, after this experience, you think in a different way. How many aspects are involved when you are basically launch a product or penetrate a new market was it was a really surprised me in relation to, for example, the beauty industry or in a luxury career. I was drawn on the luxury club because it offered direct exposure to the industry, and I wanted to understand. How is the industry going, especially in Paris, in a deeper level. So I think that through our company visit, the speaker event, and the networking opportunity, I definitely was able to gain insights directly from professional working in luxury. So it helped me to understand not just the business side, but also the culture and all the expectation of the industry. And also it also allowed me to build I think important connections that complement what I was learning in class in general. The location is definitely an advantage. Being close to Paris, that we consider basically the global capital of luxury, means that companies like, for example, ABMH, Kering, it's just not like they are part of your daily environment. We, for example, I told you that HEC have a really huge connection with also that brands. So you, for example, in many courses, certificates, you can go for the headquarters, you can work with them in a specific project, or inclusive like in a business case scenario. So definitely this proximity translate into a real access. You have access of company presentations, for example, internships, again, networking events, and a really huge alumni connection. So I think that the network is incredibly strong. It basically plays a key role in opening to you many different roles. If you like to, for example, work in this type of industry in Paris, and also in this type of big, huge company, definitely the location of HEC is a big deal. The MBA definitely accelerate our learning curves. I mean, and it really keeps to you with a really well structured way of thinking that is difficult to develop through your experience alone. Especially in the luxury, I think that most of the decisions that I saw, and thanks for the MBA and my experience, is like very global and multidimensional. So you need to understand not only your function and how, I mean, you need to understand how everything is connected around strategy, marketing, finance, operations. So this deep experience, obviously, I gained it in because my MBA offered to me that perspective now. And also, as I mentioned to you, for example, there are some courses like, for example, we had a certificate with caring that basically we work with the caring team to solve a product. How can they increase the sale of a jewelry brand that the name is Dodo, that it formed from Pomelato, that is part of the Kirin group. And we basically worked together to solve this program as a consultant for like near to 2 months. And then you have the opportunity to present our results to the main director of the company that are in the, I mean, top C level. So without I think that this type of experience and working with this C level people, it was definitely not possible without the MBA program and their luxury approach. The most valuable thing that I have learned is how to lead and collaborate in highly diverse environments and with diverse teams. And HEC, I mean, you can work with people from all over the world with different perspectives and way of thinking. For example, learning how to align those different for common goal is something that you don't learn from just like books, or maybe if you are in your comfort zone in your home country. And I think that it's skill that become essential in global organization in general, and especially if you would like to be, you will have to have a global impact in your career. I see myself working in a global role in a corporate strategy or business development within a leading consumer-focused company. I think that HEC is help me and I mean get there by give to me both the technical foundation and the international exposure need to operate in that scale. Also, HEC program offered to me a dual degree with Tufts University here in Boston. It's also opening opportunities for me in the US, which is a key step in my long-term career. So I think that all the things that, for example, are mixed now, that I mean, the prestige of the university, the connection of the university around the world, the opportunities that give to you to penetrate to other markets, not only European or Middle East or Latin America for these dual degrees, convenient, definitely put me in a situation where I can now lead in a company and in this new global scale. This is amazing because I mean I saw it very valuable, because for example now HEC, the MBA program, and also the master programs offers to you the possibility to complement your education with a dual degree programs. So for example, I have some classmates that decided to for example study in Yale University with a master in management, master in event management. So and also have other classmates that are now in Singapore, study with a really prestigious university that the name is in US. So they both this university complement to HEC. So you basically study 1 year in HEC in the MBA program and the second year in another school. But in the end, you graduated for both schools, and you graduated at the same time, and you will obtain two graduate certificates, two titles. So it was amazing because you have like a two like graduation basically. And the most valuable thing is that you are open new markets. You have the possibility to work in Europe if you like. You can also work in US, you can work in Latin America, you can work in Asia. So you can figure out what is more valuable for you. But at the end, like just for maybe 6 more months than the normal program, you can obtain one more title. So they convalidate the course, cross all the signatures, and at the end you will have this dual degree that is, for me at least, is amazing. This experience definitely it will be it can be a truly life-changing. For example, I think that the connection that you will have with your peers, with your class, definitely will be transform your life. You can really understand how many different cultures actually think, and how can you leverage in your career. I would like to mention two important aspects. The first is you will definitely develop your leadership, and I think that it's very difficult to now to have a school or a program to leverage your leadership in general, because it's different just to learn leadership in books or maybe in a classroom. HEC have a really nice outdoor leadership series seminar that is basically a 4-day military training, basically with a military specialist. When definitely you will be enhance your leadership, mandatory. And also we have a really nice competition around Europe that the name is the MBAT. Basically HEC organized this competition. Most of the most famous universities around Europe come to HEC to participate in many different sports competitions. So for example, you can find people from IE, from INSEAD, from Bocconi, from St. Gallen, Manchester, LBS, Oxford, that come to the HEC campus and play, for example, soccer, volleyball, basket, or many different other competitions like gymnasium. But the most valuable thing is the networking, and have this opportunity to interact with people at very different, they're from all schools. I actually been, for example, in Madrid a couple of months for a family situation, and it was amazing that it was amazing because I had the opportunity to interact again with the people that I met in the MBAT from IE. And we create a really nice MBAT community when we are continuously interact with each other. So have this European exposure with not only your HEC program MBA with your classmates, but also with a more global perspective is amazing. They permit to us to, for example, create a network with to work together, like for example to create, for example, a conjoint, for example, even between clubs, between, for example, the Luxury Club, the Latin American Club, that definitely, create, a different sense of value for your experience here in the program. So I think that the only opportunity to live this is if you are in the program, and I don't consider that many other top schools offer you these life-changing possibilities.